Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have something new to my channel. This is not new, but it's new to me. It is called Bagamour. And this is a quarterly subscription. And they have choices. It's $59.99 a quarter. If you get the whole year at once, pay for the whole year at once, you pay $219.96, which makes it $54.99 for the quarterly box. You save $5. I think you're going to pay shipping on it. I'm not really sure about that. But what you do is you go in and give them some details about yourself. They'll ask you questions. You can choose Everyday Fashionista, Classic Woman, or Boho Chic. And on this particular, I saw an advertisement for it on Instagram. I've seen this box open many times. I've always thought about it, but it's like, how many purses does one person need? But when I was looking from the Instagram advertisement, they have something new, and I don't know if it's going to stay around forever or if it's just brand new or if it's been around forever. I don't know. They have this subscription called Surprise Box, and in the Surprise Box you do get to pick the Everyday Fashionista, the Classic Woman, or the Boho Chic. I chose the Classic Woman, and what you're supposed to get are 2 mystery bags and accessories. In the regular subscription, you will get 2 bags, and also you will get some accessories. So they do give you sneak peeks on those, but not on the surprise box. So I don't know if these are previous bags, because this is $29.99 instead of $59.99. It costs half the price. So I'm assuming it might be bags from different seasons. But now, so when I went to pay, they charged me shipping, and it was $14.04 shipping. So this is $44.03, and I should have 2 purses and some accessories. So I did cut it open, and it's a nice big bag, a nice big box. And let's see, it opens like this, this nice flap kind of a thing here. And this is what it looks like inside. For the love of the bag, it says. For the love of the bag. And then there's your over bag for your purse. Or purses, I should say. Let me take that out. Okay, that's going to be, everything is in, the boys will like that box. That's a big one. That's a good box for the closet. This is how everything is in here. And now, since I got this surprise, if you went in and ordered the surprise bag, the surprise box, I don't know if you would get, and you chose Classic Woman, I don't know if you get the same things as me. I'm not real sure. I suppose you could ask, you might be able to ask questions. So let's see, there's some things right here on the top, some accessories going on. Whoops. And, oh, I think I like what I see already. A lot of times there's a bag that you would use, a purse, and then there's like a tote kind of a bag. And I can see the bag is wrapped, and then there's this tote under it. So let's take that out. It's beautiful. So it's gold, very, very pretty. It has this tassel on it. And let's see, we'll open it. I do believe that all the bags are vegan leather. So, so this has a flat, you can make it a flat bottom. Oh, isn't that pretty? That color is beautiful. And this is how it looks inside. It's stamped with the Bagamour mark. It has a lining, but it's like a felt lining, and then there's a pocket in there, and this does snap close, so you have some security, and it has these nice handles. So that is adorable. You can carry all kinds of things in there. So very pretty, very, very pretty. So that's the first thing. And then I have some, oh, there's more. There's more. Okay, there is a purse in here. But let's look at our, I'll take the purse out. It's big. And these are the little things that, the little accessories that they sent me, okay? This is inspired. This is Mixologic. I have had some perfumes from this company before in Goldie boxed, and this one is Inspired Rose Floral. It's a roll-on perfume oil, and it's just packaged really, really cute. And it's a little roll-on. Oh, it's a lovely rose floral. So if you don't like roses, it's not a lot of rose. Oh, I do that all the time. I think you guys are gonna smell it. It's very clean. You know, it smells nice and clean, like a spongelle. I like it. It's very, very nice. And I just love that cute little packaging. It's a little cardboard. You know, this, it protects it for traveling. And then you can use this little cardboard for so many things. You can, you know, use that for traveling, to put some earrings in, or your antacids or pills, or, you know, anything like that. Isn't that cute? I love that. So, but yeah, I'm liking that. Smells good. It's a little, it's florally, but not, I love the smell of flowers, but not necessarily perfumey on me. But this has some spice going on. I really like it. Very, very nice. Okay, so next we have a selfie ring light. Okay, I have seen these, and I've never seen anybody use one. Oh goodness, if I can get it out. Okay. It is wrapped up in this box pretty nice. So I guess you have to charge it. It has a little charger, and then this will go on your phone. You click it to the top of your phone, and then it will light up. I guess that goes behind, your phone goes in between here. It's gonna sit on your phone like that, and it'll light up. There is a little on and off switch. I was gonna say it's probably not charged, but it is. And then if you wanna take selfies, it will take selfies of you. That's neat. How do you turn it off? Strobing. Oh, it's going fast now. I don't know that I ever would use this, y'all. I'm just trying to turn it off. It's all I want to do is turn it off. Okay. Well, I can't seem to turn it off. It might be one of those things. I'm holding it too long, or who knows. Well, I thought it was going to turn off. It won't. Anyway, it'll, you know, it's rechargeable, so I'll get it to turn off after this, or I won't, and it'll die on its own. I have this thing. This is heavy. Let's see what, it's a water bottle, I can tell that much. It's, what do they call that? It's silicone? Is that what you call it? It does this kind of thing, so you can stretch it out. So when you're done drinking your water, you can push it back, and it's compact. So that is cute. That's really cute. And then it can hang on things if you're jogging or whatever, off your waistline or whatever. That is cute. But yeah, it's rubbery, and then it just pops out to the size you want it to be. That is super cute. And next we have this Milk and Sass Macaron hairbrush. It says detangle brush and a compact mirror. That's cute. I'm sorry about my hair, y'all. I got caught in a rainstorm. I think it might have been a mini tornado, honestly. All right, it says Milk and Sass on there. If you can see, I don't know, you probably can't see that because of all the glare. But when you open it, this is the brush, and it is, it's plastic. And then there is a mirror in the other side, which is so nice. It has a little film on it. You just take that off, and you can throw that in your purse. That's cool. And then we have one more accessory, and that is this Bella Pierre. Let's see what it is. Super Gloss Runway, it says, Bella Pierre. Let's see. Super Gloss, and does that mean Runway is the name of it? Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I think so. There it is. It's very pretty. Yeah, I don't see, it doesn't have the name at the end or, you know, either end, but it's very pretty. It has a nice shimmer to it. It's a gloss. I have so many glosses open, so I'm not going to open it right now. But I don't know. It says, I think Runway is the color. Super Gloss Runway. Okay. Very nice. Okay. It's very pretty. It has a nice, real nice shine in there. Very pretty color. All right, and then we have our main feature, the bag. And it's in that bag, and then it's also here in this bag, wrapped up nicely. So let's see what it is. I'm excited to see. Ooh, let me give you a quick peek at it, and we will see. It's wrapped nicely. It has, you know, things to protect it, cushions and such to protect it. It is, there's the tag, says Bagamour, of course. And it says, thank you for being a part of our story. You can buy things off their site, and they have a 10% off there. This has a tag on it here, just a cute, you know, a cute little detail. And let's see if I can open it and flatten it. It's beautiful. I love a crocodile texture. This is beautiful. Okay, so it opens up. It's a flat bottom. I'm gonna have to put stuff in it to probably, you know, to keep it opened. But here it is. Very, very pretty. Now this is very, very classic. I love it. It has these kind of handles, which is very nice. And there's that hanging thing. And there is a nice gold plate there. And I'm thinking it's gonna have, it does, it has a shoulder strap, which is nice. Okay. Hey, Smudge. And it's fully lined with fabric. It's hard to pop it down, you know, until you get stuff in there. Inside, there are 2 pockets on this side. Yeah, I don't think you can see it all because it's black in there. Okay, Smudge. And on this side, there is a zipper. I need to fill it up and show it to you what it looks like. All right, Smudge, stop, stop, stop. See, plastic. Don't do that, lovey. It's not good for you. Oh, anyway, I unwrapped it so you could see it better. And this is it. I put some books in to get it popped out, and I'll leave the books in for a little bit, like overnight or something. And then here is the shoulder strap, and you can see it's adjustable. So that is really nice. It's very beautiful. Inside there's just the black lining. There's 2 pockets on one side, and there's a zipper pocket on the other side. And it was so, I can't really show you that because you can't see because it's black in there. But then it's got this cute little thing, just, you know, cute. This is the Bagamour tag. I forgot to take that off. But you can have that on there if you'd like. And it's beautiful crocodile. And it has the feet on the bottom, which is very, very nice. That's a great detail, so if you're out and about. And you could fit a, maybe not a huge laptop, but you could fit a smaller laptop or, you know, iPad and things like that in here. Fire tablets. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So, like I said, it's $29.99, but it was $44 with the shipping, $44.03. So we got this bag, and you know, you could carry these bags together. That's what I like about this, is this gold is very classic as well. And if you have to have some things to tote with you while you've got your purse, you can use that. And then you have the dust cover to keep everything nice, which is really nice. And we got the macaron hairbrush with mirror. Nice things for to put in the purse. We got the Bella Pierre lippy, beautiful lippy. We got this ring light for your phone that sits on your phone. And this water bottle that stretches out. So such a cool design. Have the, gotta get the air in there for it to open. And this perfume, which I really like. It's very, very light. It says the ingredients are, polyglycol and fragrance. Okay, I thought it was going to tell me the fragrance. This is made in Texas. So the Mixologic rollerball. So that's what I got, y'all. What do you think? What do you think? I thought this was fun. I don't know. In looking at my email, it looks like I have signed up for the surprise bag. So I think in the next quarter, I'm not sure when this ships normally. I'll have to look at the website. But the next time it ships, I think I will get the Surprise Classic. But I'm pretty sure you can go in and change your levels. If you know, maybe I want to try Boho Chic or something. So, but if you want to know the kind of bag you're going to get, I think you then have to pay for the higher price, the $59.99 or $54.99 if you pay by the year. But then wouldn't that be nice to just move from tier to tier so that you can get different style bags? Because I like different style bags. This bag is really pretty. This is right up my alley. It's a beautiful classic bag, and I really like it. And thank you so much for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.